Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the future of education and the possibility of robots replacing teachers. With advances in AI and machine learning, it's a question that's on a lot of people's minds. Will robots eventually replace human teachers? First, let's talk about the potential benefits of using robots in the classroom. One obvious advantage is that robots could offer a more personalized learning experience for students. With the ability to analyze data and provide instant feedback, robots could adapt to the needs of individual students in ways that human teachers simply can't. Robots could also offer a more efficient use of time and resources. With fewer limitations on working hours and no need for breaks or vacations, robots could theoretically provide 24/7 instruction and support for students. This could be especially beneficial for students who are struggling or need additional support outside of regular school hours. However, there are also many potential drawbacks to using robots in education. One major concern is the lack of emotional intelligence and empathy that robots possess. Human teachers are not just educators, they are also mentors and role models who offer emotional support and guidance to their students. Robots simply can't replicate this aspect of teaching. Another concern is the potential impact on employment for human teachers. If robots were to replace teachers, it could lead to a significant loss of jobs in the education sector. This could have a ripple effect on the economy and society as a whole. So, what's the answer? Will robots replace teachers in the future? The truth is, it's hard to say for sure. While robots can offer many advantages, there are also important aspects of teaching that require human empathy and understanding. It's more likely that we'll see a hybrid approach to education, with robots and human teachers working together to provide the best possible learning experience for students. In fact, we're already seeing this happen in some classrooms around the world. As with any new technology, it's important to carefully consider the potential benefits and drawbacks before implementing it on a large scale. We need to ensure that technology is used in a way that enhances education, rather than replacing or detracting from it. So, that's our take on the future of education, and the role that robots might play. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.